Black Forest Cupcake. You can use a cake mix or my 1 bowl chocolate cake batter. Place the plastic sandwich bag inside of glass. Use store-bought frosting, or you can use my buttercream frosting recipe. Just push it all down towards the point. Twist this, cut off the tip. Cut a hole in the top. Now just cut the point off. Scoot a little bit more out. Pipe in some of the frosting. Place a cherry right down in the center like that, and pipe over the top. Place the cover back down. Pipe all the way around. Like that. Sprinkle some chocolate sprinkles. Place a cherry on the top. And there you have it, a Black Forest cupcake.